Hello students. Welcome to MH Tutorial English. Today, we are going to learn the very basic rule of electromagnetism. If you don't know that particular rule, you will not be able to understand the other topics of electromagnetism. In the year 1785, the French physicist Charles Augustin de Coulomb discovered this famous rule. That's why it's called the Coulomb's law. The statement of the formula is: for the first formula, opposite electrical charges attract each other, and identical charges repel. The second formula is: the magnitude of this attractive or repulsive force is proportional to the product of the elemental charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Suppose there are two charges. One is positive, the other is negative. Then they will attract each other, because the opposite charges attract. As a result of these attraction, they tend to come to closer and closer. If both the charges are positive, they will repel each other, and will move away from each other. In the same way, if we place two negative charges at a closer distance, they also will repel each other, and will move away further and further. Now, let's come to the second formula. If the amount of charge in the first particle be Q1, and that of the second particle be Q2, also, the distance between them be R, then, the amount of active force between them is proportional to the product of Q1 and Q2. When the value of R remains unchanged, that is, the force, or F, varies to Q1 into Q2. When R is constant. Again, if the magnitude of the product Q1-Q2 remains the same, then F varies 1 by R square. Using the compound theorem of variation, F varies to Q1 into Q2 by R square, when Q1, Q2, and R are variables. Or F is equal to K into Q1 into Q2 by R square, where K is a constant number. The values of K depends on the properties of materials in which the charged particles are staying now. In SI system of unit, the expression for K is 1 by 4 pi into epsilon 0 into epsilon R, where epsilon 0 is a universal constant better known as the permittivity of free space, whose worldwide accepted value is 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 farad per meter. Epsilon R is called the relative permittivity of a medium. For media like air or free space, it assumes a value of 1. Check out the values of epsilon R for some other media. Hope this video to be helpful to generate a clear concept in you. We'll come back in our next video. Thanks for watching the video till the end.